Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spartan Blades Elite Grade Harsey folder, Chad Nickel Damascus here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So what do we have here is a big boy. Nice box, I have to say. Couple of foamy inserts, and that's it. Basically, you have a nylon plastic bag with your big boy right over here. Let's just quickly check the size of this guy, because overall length is going to be close to 9 inches with a 4-inch long blade and a 4.8-inch long handle. So not a small boy. It's an overbuilt one for sure. Thick titanium slabs for handles. Look at the size, like the thickness of this frame lock right over here. No stainless steel insert, stone washed scales, reversible titanium pocket clip. Construction with 3 pretty strong and solid standoffs used as like pillars kind of thing. Nice overall finish. There is a nice touch to it. It's very simple construction. This is a Chad Nickel's Damascus blade. I would say a nice drop point with 30% belly and straight edge up to the missing sharpening choil. Dual thumb studs as a deployment mechanism. Pretty thick stock, jimping going on right over here in the handle and on the back of the handle right there. And interesting but simple construction. It is an overbuilt one. There's a nice detent ball ramp. This guy is running on phosphorus bronze washers. The grip is, I have to say, it's very good. But what I really love, it's the reverse grip, guys. This is absolutely perfect. The sound this guy makes is this when you open it, and this when you close it. So it's on the low side. It's not obtrusive, but it's nothing special, nothing to write home about. But it's all right. I mean, it's still a decent sound, not too loud, and not too recognizable, but great ergos, and action is a little bit on the slow side. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.